change the AutoDrive transmission fluid on your Slingshot, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the parking brake is set. Safely elevate the vehicle to gain access to the transmission fill and drain plugs. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Place a drain pan under the transmission drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the transmission fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Inspect both plugs and sealing surfaces. The sealing surfaces should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Add the recommended fluid through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the fill plug with a new O-ring and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Safely lower the vehicle once completed and dispose of the used fluid properly. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.